The next trend that we want to speak to is something I am sure you have heard umpteen times within internal communications, within meetings, within what your organization's working on already, and that is within predictive analytics. And I think so as not to say we're really going to teach anything new on this, but to say that those who are best leveraging predictive analytics will start to edge out in 2023. Those organizations that are maybe using the versions of this type of a discipline that were most robust 3-5 years ago. This industry is changing. This industry is getting more sophisticated. And I think one of the ways that we can speak to that is just looking at the difference between if we look at descriptive analytics. And so we're saying, okay, what does our population look like in the past? Moving to predictive analytics of what are they likely to do in the future. And really where we see this going in 2023 is more around how are those analytics becoming prescriptive. So it's not just about is this person likely to fall into a certain disease state, but it's, and then what do you do about it? And I think what I attach with that, what do you do about it, is the sort of how we're merging that information with the right message, the right member, the right time, and also understanding what their propensity to fall into action might be. So if we know that somebody might be getting into that more advanced disease state, that's very valuable information, but it is a little bit, it's a little bit unactionable. Knowing then that one person might be more likely to address that by having a telemedicine visit, another might be much more comfortable scheduling an in-home visit. Those are the types of things that we need to know so that we can appropriately intervene. Just knowing the state of someone's health isn't really sufficient anymore, and where the analytics and data models are going is the ability to say, and so this is the right type of outreach to that person. So when we think about 2023 and predictive analytics, whether that's internal teams that you're working with, or whether that's vendors that you're working with or maybe evaluating, I would ask and encourage that you all sort of press on that a bit of how far are you taking this analytics such that I actually know what to do, not just what's going to happen. It feels like a big leap, but it's a really important one if we expect ourselves to intervene in an increasingly effective way.